Hey, I'm Chris with AffordableMedicalUSA.com Mobility Solutions. GC440, the new companion series GC40 is here. This one is in the gray color, so it's a new color, and it actually has the power elevated seat, I believe, on this particular unit, which is an upgrade. So I'm going to show you how to unbox this when you receive it. There's a couple options how to receive it. You can get it by free drop ship or white glove delivery. So it's up to you what you want to do. White glove delivery will take a little bit longer to get, but they'll come there, unbox it, make sure everything's good, and take the packaging away. So let's get started. So first, it's probably going to come in 2 boxes. For some reason, ours has a couple extra boxes, but we're going to find out what's in here. Let's go ahead and unbox this first box. So here's your seat, here's your armrest. You can take the packaging off, and these armrests are adjustable in this width and height here. Really nice, like not an over padded, but a durable armrest. Also has a sliding and swivel seat. Take this cap off, that's for packaging, throw it to the side. You're going to release this out a little bit on both sides to put the arms in. So you can only do this one way. Just going to drop this right in here. Tighten it back up. So they've done a lot of changes to the companion series I think you're going to like. They've added spring shock suspensions, a new digital dashboard for percentages of your battery. So we're excited. We'll see what it looks like, because the old GC440s were nice, but no spring shock suspensions. So now we have it. So now your seat's pretty much put together. Back here is what they call receiver port. You can take this plastic cap off. So back here, this is your receiver port. You can remove this, you got to remove this little cap. You can attach a basket holder, a walker holder, oxygen tank holder, different things like that can come back here. So that's what that is. There's your seat, and I'll show you how to put that on in just a second. So we're going to jump into opening the box. Now, these black straps, what you can do is just going to pop them. And this box, it seems like, now this is my first time unboxing this. We just got it. It just comes straight up. So hopefully this video can be good for other dealers. Show them how to unbox it. Now this one again has a seat lift elevator on it, 6-inch. Here's the new color. It still has your feather touch, so get this wrapper, and then you're just going to pull this lever and just bring this straight up. Look at that. And just remove the bubble wrap. Now here's it says parts inside, and it's going to tell you what's all checked off and what has came. So let's see what accessories they're going to give you. Manual. Supercharger. 3 amp. Serial numbers on that also. And you're going to charge this up before you use it. Mirrors. We'll show you how that goes on in just a little bit. Should be 2 mirrors in there. And what you need is keys. It's in this package. So here's a cool thing about it is this mat can be removed and washed or whatever, and it gives you your beep codes, fault codes, different operating safety tips, additional safety tips. All right, so we need to connect the batteries because the batteries are probably not connected. So come back here and do this. You can use a Phillips head screwdriver, but they're just, you can use your hand too. And you're gonna take your time and you're gonna pop it up, so you're gonna see it's got little things right here. So this comes in red and blue. Full lights, look at the lights at the back. So the batteries are in here and they're zip tied. Now this unit can be disassembled. I'm not really sure if you're gonna wanna take this apart unless it's seldom. You probably wanna get like a lift for your car, AL100 by Harmar. But let's show you these connections real quick. So here they are right here. And you're just gonna connect it right there. Red to red, black to black. And then you're gonna put the shroud back on it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this shroud back on. Again, this is the seat elevator. If you didn't have this, you would be able to change the seat height with a bolt. You would take it out and change it, but we wanted to display the seat elevator. Plus we have someone coming in here to get this, so. Just kind of get these, this is kind of a pain in the butt, trying to get those front little things in. Make sure it's all connected. Now this is going to be a good unit for your yard. Again, if you have a lift or a hitch haul or something to carry this with, you're going to like doing that with this. You're not going to want to take this apart. There's other scooters I would recommend to you if you're going to be taking it apart, because this isn't really quick and easy to do. But this is a very strong, dependable scooter, holds up to 400 pounds. It's the new companion GC-440. They also make a GC-340 and a GC-240 and a GC-540. So the 540 will be a 3-wheel HD version, 500 pounds. The GC-240 will be a smaller 3-wheel scooter, and then the 340 will be a little bit longer. But it's going to have the digital dash and all this stuff. So this right here is your freewheel. So that's how you disengage it or engage it. So it says freewheel, so that's what you'll do. Now this is going to be a little tricky for some people because it's on this box. So for me, I'm going to probably see how you would do it. It's kind of this, you might need, because it's heavy back here. It's not a light scooter, it's a heavy scooter. It's like your Traverse SUV. It's not a small Explorer, it's kind of like a Traverse, a little bit, but strong, you know, strong scooter. So I'm just going to kind of move it around. If you have your grandson or you have a friend, this is where you're going to need his help. This is where, if you don't have someone to do that, then you want to take advantage of the white glove delivery service we provide. We have dealers usually in your area that can help, or our white glove guys can deliver. So that's the hardest part. So here's your basket, decent sized basket, about 12 inches across, 9 inches in depth, and about 10 inches deep. Got to pop this right on to the front. Done. Most seats just drop right on there, but this one has an extra security, so you'll probably have to release that. So let's see what it does when you drop it on there. Automatically locks, but it won't come up. You have to release that to pull up. Most scooters you don't have to do that. Now this is your swivel. Over here, you can stay right there. You have the slide, so you can actually, depends on your height, bring this back and forth to you. Go way up. the swivel 360 degrees. Or actually, it just goes right there then. Okay. Doesn't have a 360. I need to change that. If you're shorter, you can use your slider. That's right here. And then you can put your feet up here and you can bring this back, or you can put your feet down here. All right, so this one has a seat lift up to 6 inches. Here's your button right here. So you can grab stuff. You can also, this is probably why it only goes to right here on this unit, because the seat lift, it might make it easier to get on and off if you're shorter. Now you can stop this wherever you like. So if you live at independent living and you need help getting on and off, you probably want to get the seat lift elevator. It's not that much of an upcharger. I think it'll really benefit you. Now if you're short, you might not want to add that elevator to it because it does increase the seat height a little bit. That is the GC-440 by Golden Technologies with the spring shock suspension, full spring shock suspensions, full LED light package, new digital dashboard, water resistant buttons, feather touch tiller adjustment, swivel seat, sliding seat, adjustable arms in height, adjustable arms in width. And this one actually has 2 cup holders. All of them have 2 cup holders. And 400-pound weight capacity, big tires, great scooter. This is, I think you'll like it. It's not something you want to disassemble. If you do, check out the Buzz EX. It's a little bit easier to take apart, or maybe a Pride Revo if you want something faster to take apart. GC440 by Golden Technologies. Visit us at affordablemedicalusa.com. Put in search bar GC440 and or give us a call. Tom, here's Tom. He just got here. Red or blue also. This is in gray. First glance at it, it's not something you're going to want to disassemble. If you need to, once a month, twice a month, someone that's able to do it, you can do it. I don't sell it as a scooter you really want to quickly disassemble, even though they say it is, but I never considered that. Some guys might say it, sell it that way. First glance compared to the old GC440.
Oh, it's night and day.
It really is.
It really is. It looks, I mean, it looks like it's got a higher ground clearance.
I'm not exactly sure, but it does have a 4.25 ground clearance at the deck.
And at the transact, so it's probably 2 inches or more?
2.5.
So that's a big enhancement right there. The tires are bigger. It just looks better. The tiller, this is a better grip tiller than I've seen on any product before. It's just a better grip. Yeah, it's going to last. It's not going to come off.
Those tires are 10.75 inches, so it's bigger than the Pride Victory 10.
What's really kind of, there's something else I just noticed. Not only do you get the battery reading, but you also get the voltage. I've never seen that before on a scooter.
Yep, percentage.
So that's pretty cool. And percentage. So you got 3 different battery readings on this thing, which is nice. The waterproof buttons edition, that's nice.
Water resistant.
Water resistant, excuse me.
Just want to make sure.
Got a nice big basket and the 2 cup holders.
You can add a basket to the back too. It has that receiver port.
They upgraded this seat a while back, and these seats are a lot more comfortable.
How tall are you?
5'10".
5'10". So 5'10", size shoe 8?
10 and a half.
Plenty of room from him. We'll get Scott on here. He's 6'4". We'll let him see how it fits. Is that all the way up or back?
It's all the way back. But I can bring this in, and I mean, that's it, man, right there. That's a good drive. Sweet.
Cool.
Nice scooter.
Scott, why don't you hop on this at 6'4". I'll hold that camera for a second. So Scott's 6'4". Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
What size shoe do you wear? Oh, nice.
Size 12.
Okay, 12. Yeah. That might reduce your speed if you operate, but look, it's good. Put your feet up on the foot plate. See how that feels. Does that feel okay?
Oh, yeah.
All right, 6'4", we had a 5'10", 6'4", and a 5'9" guy on it. So, GC440.
Very nice.
56-inch turning radius, I believe. So if you need something a little bit more turn. He just bought this for his father.
For my father, yes.
Needed something to get outside. I showed him. It just came in. Power elevated seat, dual cup holders, 400-pound weight capacity, 10-inch tires, just for outside is what he's using it for. It looks good, doesn't it?
Oh yeah.
Huh?
It's perfect. The tall tires.
So we're going to load this up back of his truck, and he's going to take this to his dad and surprise him. Does he know it's coming?
Oh no.
So if you're looking for a cool scooter, this is the GC440 by Golden. It looks great. It looks sharp. It's sporty.
Yep. Tires are nice. Good tall tires, and oh yeah, it's definitely sturdy too, and easy to turn.
Now his dad can only use one hand, so he can operate this. He's on the right hand, thankfully. He can use the swivel seat with his right hand. He can use the tiller adjustment with his right hand, and he can operate this control thing with his right hand, forward and back. So I just want to jump him on. He's the first person to buy the GC440, the new version, in South Carolina, probably in the whole country. First customer probably get it, I would think. So we just got him today. So, all right. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. Thank you,
man.
Oh, Daddy gonna have fun. I can see Mom on it. As fast as it goes.
Oh
no,
you
just
can
leave what
turn
you got
it up,
there.
but it's